In this video, I will show you how to use AP GameTools with Unity. AP GameTools is a Blender add-on that helps you optimize and export objects to game engines like Unity and Unreal. Check the description below on where you can buy it and how to install. Let's get started. To set up AP GameTools pipeline with Blender and Unity, you need to first install a GLTF importer. Currently, I recommend UniGLTF. I'll provide a link in the description. To install UniGLTF, go to the link and download the latest Unity package. In your Unity project, go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and open the UniGLTF package you just downloaded. When prompted, press Import. If it installed correctly, you should see a new menu at the top called UniGLTF. The next step is to save your Blender file in the same location as your Unity project. Now you can select the objects you want to export and press Export for Game Engine. This will automatically import into Unity with the material and shader set up correctly. If you make any updates to your mesh or your material and press Export again, it will make those changes automatically. This is true with modifiers as well. It automatically applies modifiers on export, so you can add a subsurface modifier or decimate modifier and non-destructively change your mesh. There are two options to export. Export for Game Engine exports the object with the location data. Center and Export for Game Engine will reset the location of the selected objects to 0, 0, 0. Of course, you can select all of your models to export. Just be aware it might take a long time to export and a long time to import, depending on the complexity of your scene. If you want to keep the material set up in Unity, you can duplicate the material you like so it doesn't update when you press Export the next time. Now just reapply the material you want. If your object has textures, AP GameTools will automatically transfer those over as well. If you have a complex material and it doesn't export correctly, like this material I got from Polygon, then you might need to simplify it or bake the textures out before exporting. You can bake however you like. I prefer the add-on Simple Bake. For this material, it looks like I need diffuse, roughness, and normal. After baking, your material should look something like this. Now when you export, it should work correctly. If your objects have parents, they will not export correctly. You will need to clear the parents first before you export. To see the progress of your exports, you can open the console. On Windows, you press Window, toggle System Console. Now you can see the progress of your exports. If you want to cancel the export, click on the console window and press Ctrl-C. If you don't save your blend file in the Unity project folder, you can still drag and drop models into your project. It will work the same. However, it will not automatically update the mesh or materials if you drag the updated model in, so just be aware of this limitation. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.